kind of pointless while you're in the water. I haven't been filming for such a long time, and I'm feeling kind of lost what I want to share in my channel and what I want to keep private. So I'm struggling to find the balance between filming and then just living in the moment. But today I am feeling really inspired. I've been watching a lot of art related videos, trying to lower my standards that I have created myself, like what videos should be, what they should look like, and just kind of capture moments that I want to capture. And because in a way it's kind of like a video diary for me to watch later, and if someone there finds them interesting, that's just a big plus. Like I really just want to create videos and I don't know, have something to look later, you know, and see what I've done, what I've created, what kind of life I've been living in certain times. So that's the main reason why I want to make these. But yeah, I was just recently ill. I had the flu, or I still kind of have the flu. Maybe you can hear it in my voice. But today I woke up feeling pretty good already, so just going for a walk with my dog, and it's a beautiful, beautiful weather. Well, some people might argue with that, but I like it. It's kind of misty, rainy, gloomy autumn day, which is just something that I really, really enjoy. Oh yes. I wanted to end this video by having a little chat about what's been going on in my life and why I haven't been filming all that much. As you might have noticed, I haven't been posting all that many videos, and the reason behind that is that if I just haven't felt like filming, I just haven't. During summertime I did film a lot, but I just wasn't happy with the result. Like I didn't like how they turn out, and I never end up using so many clips. And this autumn I just simply haven't been filming all that much. I just haven't had the energy. I just haven't felt like filming For the past few days I have felt really good, and I'm just hoping that this feeling will stay for a while. I've been feeling really inspired. I've been painting and doing a lot of crafts and starting new projects, and just overall being really excited about future and life and all these opportunities that I have. For the time being, I want to focus on feeling good and trying to sustain that, like in a way that it will be a bit more permanent change to eating healthy, having better habits, being creative, and doing all those things that will make my dreams come true. But anyway, that's what I wanted to say, and I hope I will feel a bit more motivated, inspired to make YouTube videos, but there's no promises. And we'll see what kind of videos I will create and how often. I'm trying to take the pressure out of that. There's enough things that I stress about, so making videos is not one of them. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you liked it, and I will see you next time. Bye!